But everyone, how you lot doing? It's your boy Sule. I'm back again with another reaction. I hope you lot doing well. So guys, as you can see, I'm about to do a different sport reaction. I'm about to react to top 5 last lap battles in 2019 MotoGP. I've never reacted to something like this before, but you know my channel, I like to discover different sport, learn about it, and just get knowledge regarding that. I'm a massive Chelsea fan, you can see, mostly soccer. So guys, if you're ready to vibe, welcome to the best channel, you best believe. If you're new, hit like, subscribe if you like what you see. If not, we keep it moving. Let's get it. Let's go.
The final lap of the Italian Grand Prix, and they are going to be 3 abreast by the looks of things going into turn 1. Marquez gets the 2 bike slipstream on the factory Honda, and Marquez hits the front here in the Jello. Has he timed this to absolute perfection? Asking major question. The turning count is all 3 of them almost out of contact.
Whoa.
Picked up the Virtuoso, he picked up Marquez.
Fam, I thought they were literally about to crush.
Petrucci leads, but Marquez is making shapes. He's trying to find a way through on the number 9.
Fam, when I was a kid, I used to love, you know, when you go to attraction park, playing one of those motorbike like toys, as if you're actually a proper rider. Just amazing, brings back memories watching this. But I don't know much about MotoGP, you know. Any big fan, please comment below who's a legend, who you want me to react to. I'm a big sport fan. I mostly obviously love football, then basketball, NFL, you name it, you know. I just want to get more knowledge about this type of sport, but this is unbelievable. These guys, they get enough respect from me because they can do something that I cannot do, so I can only admire them. The strength that these, do you know, these motorbikes are heavy, you know. The strength and endurance like these and technique these guys have is top level. Wow, it always amazes me how they never fell off their bike when they do that. How? Look at it, literally almost down. This is unbelievable.
He leads to Virtuoso, tried to find up the way, but Marquez can't find a way through. Petrucci still leads into the final corner.
I don't even know who that is, but whoa, the blue guys trying to overtake. It's like, yeah, man.
What's gonna happen? Oh, it is.
Oh, who's gonna win?
Petrucci's dream is real.
I don't even know who that was. Ads.
Marquez will lead over the line shortly to start this final lap.
Yes, number 4 then.
Kilometers away from the end of what's been an absolutely unbelievable start to 2019.
Dovizio retains Qatar crown. Dovizioso. Who's the greatest moto, you know, MotoGP legend, you know? I've been seeing pictures lately, I don't know who that is. Is that the Spanish guy? Like, I don't know, like, let me know in the comment if you're a massive fan and come across this. And for people who don't know, I speak Lingala Mbotenabino. I'm originally from DR Congo, Kinshasa. And I also speak French. Bonsoir la famille, bonjour la famille, j'espère que vous allez bien. Donc bienvenue sur la meilleure chaîne que vous avez jamais vue dans votre vie. Huh? Well, I don't even know who these guys are. I just love it. I'm just fascinated how they, I mean, this or F1, which one is harder, people? Comment below. They almost use a similar track, or am I wrong from saying that? Because you know the zigzag and all that.
It was the 8th closest finish in Premier Class history 1 year ago. It's all set again for another.
It's amazing how they always like the other side. Man, the amount of training they must do. Oh, he's overtaken. Oh, what's going on? Oh, this is tight. This is tight. How? Oh my days, how did he not touch it? This is unbelievable. Hey, these two are going for it, fam. Wow. Still on board that factory Honda. Incredible. He's pushing it to the outside. Yeah, that's unbelievable. That's really incredible. Is it going to be a carbon copy of 1 year ago here in Qatar? 2 corners to go. Oh, was it the same guys that went head to head the previous year? That on part 5, I think.
It's a repeat, surely. No. Oh, here he goes. He sits him up. He's lost momentum. They both run wide. Here comes Vicioso.
They're both overtaking each other. Who's going to win?
Who's going to win this one? It looks like the top step is stained in red once more. Dovizioso also just gets it on the line. It's an absolute carbon copy of 1 year ago.
He must be Italian, I guess. Right.
The kitchen sink. 1 lap to go here. The British fans are on their feet. It's Marquez. That's his race around the outside of Woodcote. You can't do that. No, they're side by side. Unbelievable. Rins is off the circuit almost. And look at Vinales. Vinales coming right back into contention. For the final time.
Man, I don't know these guys. I just love how they keep their balance. I don't know. There's no words. I'm speechless. These guys are just phenomenal. You just, what I want to learn, I probably need to react to the real history of how MotoGP, motorsport really started. I think that's motorsport, right? I hope I've said the right word. The same way I did with the Niska. You know, I want to react to who was behind this creation, when did it start. And there's gonna be more people, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you check my playlist or previous videos. You know, I do a lot of different sports reactions, some funny ones as well, which are gonna come back soon. But sports, something that I love very much. So, man, these guys are not humans. How are they doing that? Swinging from left to right and still keeping them balanced. How? Look at that, man. Did he just look back? Oh, that's phenomenal, man. I haven't seen a blue rider win. Is he gonna win? This time gonna be blue. Oh, how they get so close on the ground. And I'm sure there are crashes. Yeah, I will be reacting to crashes. I'm sure there are, of course, you know, like any sort of sport such as like F1 and this sport, you always gonna have casualty, and unfortunately that's part of the game, you know. But these guys are just phenomenal, honestly. Wow. I used to get a lot of car toys and motor toys. This is wow. Nah, this one was a good one. Look at that. How is he not falling? Number 2. Number 3 is unreal. That was a proper race. Yeah, I like that one still. I can't lie. Can't lie. Stop. I thought he was gonna fall down. Oh, this is mad. Drink water, stay healthy, you know the vibes. And stay young. Bro, how are they doing this? They literally, man, they like this, right, on the surface, and still not falling down. Nah, that's ridiculous. The tackers, the level of training of, I don't even know what's the word, you know. Ability, endurance, technique, power, strength, especially strength. Balance, that's the word, the balance you need to have. Will this be like the last race? The guy. Oh. Wow. The Vizioso. This is the guy I keep saying his name. I'm gonna have to react to him next. I don't know. He must be Italian, right? So this is the name I keep. Whoa. His race seems to be so tense as well, you know. As you can tell, guys, I have no knowledge in this sport. I'm new. I've never watched it like this. Probably the longest I've ever watched, because I'm doing a reaction, of course. You know, don't be a prick, don't be a waste man. Be nice. Comment below. Let me know who I can react to. I'm just trying to learn. You know, knowledge is powerful. Nobody's born perfect. We all learn. I didn't know anything about NASCAR. Now I know. I wasn't really a big fan of NFL in years ago, but like for the last couple of years, especially last year, I did a lot of reaction, and I watched the last Super Bowl. So these reactions are teaching me a lot because I'm learning so much. So I'm grateful to you guys as well, especially my AFL family. AFL, that's Australian football, so I've learned that as well. You know, and this one I'm just fascinated how strong these guys are. Austrian GP. So the Austrian Grand Prix. Oh, this is a title. No! Wow! Incredible! Are they Ferrari team? Or am I talking rubbish? I think that's it. Well guys, that was the top 5 last lap battle in 2019. So if you enjoy, give a thumbs up, comment below, and see you in the next reaction. Let's